Hey, today we're going to check out Hypergrow's new Magic Editor. Just go into your video and click on Magic Edit. This will help you edit the small elements of the videos you've created. In the Media section, you can upload any picture or your brand's logo that you want to add to the video. Then we have different kinds of stickers you can use in your videos, and we also have various shapes if you want to add those too. Then you can add captions to your video if you want. There are different styles available with various sizes and fonts to match your needs. Then we have different types of background music you can use based on your needs, and you can also choose the voice you want for your video's voiceover. You can keep the same one or change it, totally up to you. Also, if you want, you can add a completely new scene to the video. Once everything is done, you can save the draft or directly render the video. It will be available in the My Edits section after a few minutes. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.